Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Gosh, my hair looks insane. Anyway, today I am just filming a date night. Get ready with me, even though I'm not actually going on a date right now. I'm just kind of doing something I would wear for date night, and I'm walking you guys through it. I basically revolved this entire look around all of my boyfriend's favorite things that I do, if that makes sense. So like, the makeup is like, he'll tell me he likes glossy lips, or like when I do cat eye eyeliner, and like his favorite type of way I wear my hair is when I wear it wavy, you know, little things like that. So if you guys are interested in that, then I don't know, keep watching. Alright you guys, so I am starting this tutorial with a pretty much full face of makeup on my actual like fur foundation, but that's because I'm filming like 6 makeup videos in one day because I have to pre-film to do 25 days of Christmas, and my face, oh, I have lipstick. Like if you just look at my eyes, I think I mentioned it in the last one, but it says my face is struggling. It hurts. I've washed my face so many times. Anyways, so yeah, if you're really curious as to how I got this foundation, I think we can all like, everyone can figure out how to do their foundation. But if you really must know, it is the same thing I did for my Serena Vanderwoodson look. But something else I would do differently is I would do my iconic fake freckles, because they just make me feel confident and cute and just like more myself, you know? And that's how you really want to feel on date night. Like that's just, you want to be your most iconic self, you know? And if you guys want to buy some Freck, you already know the deal. If not, if you're new here, this is my code, 10% off. You're welcome. Just a couple little freckles. Actually, fun fact, I'm getting my freckles tattooed on. I don't know if I'll already have them by now since I am pre-filming everything, but I am gonna vlog like the whole experience. The one time I will vlog, because I don't like doing it, but I figured like that would be a really cool thing to vlog about. And it's probably the most exciting thing I've ever done in my life, so better videotape it. But yeah, I'm going to get it done in Brooklyn, and I researched a lot. I'll have a whole video on it, but yeah, I'm really excited. So anyways, moving on. I am now going to, I'm gonna wipe off the lipstick I have right now because it's not one I would normally wear. I'm gonna take my lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Pillow Talk. My boyfriend says that he doesn't want to be on my YouTube channel because he's a very private man, I assume. But what can we do to make him come on it? I really want to do at least one video where like we answer questions or something. I'm literally gonna text him right now and ask what you guys would have to do in order for him to appear on my channel, because I think it'd be funny. Okay, and then I'm gonna just use my Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Haze. It's just a really pretty berry tone. I just like to have a little bit more pink in my look, personally. And then I'm gonna take a nice gloss. Literally this whole makeup look is kind of just centered around my boyfriend and like what he's told me he likes on previous occasions. But he always says he likes when I have glossy lips, which is shocking because most guys are like super intimidated by gloss and like sticky lips, you know, like they don't want to get makeup all over their face, but he doesn't mind. He says he likes it because it smells good, so I always put some gloss on if we're going out for a night on the town, and I just think it makes my lips look a bit more luscious, you know. And I'm gonna, blush is good, I already did that in the last video, so now I guess I'll just go ahead and move on to my eyeballs. Yeah, I pretty much always kind of end up doing a smoky look anytime I go out because I don't like to wear a lot of face makeup, and my boyfriend also doesn't really like a lot of face makeup because, you know, like you're kissing on the cheek, like you're getting makeup all over the place, you know? It's gonna be all over his face. And he likes my natural skin, which I have found very sweet, and it's helped me a lot with like accepting my natural appearance. So thanks, boo. Anyways, so yeah, I always try to play up my eyes and like do a pretty natural base. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with this palette. That's not what I'm gonna use. I lied. I'm gonna go in with my Gwen Stefani palette. This is like my favorite eyeshadow palette, and these are like my 3 favorite shades. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start. I have to cover up this redness on my eyes because like it's not working. Just gonna use like 1 or 2 dots of my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, and now I'm gonna just start making a smoky eye. So I literally just pack that all over my lid. And I'm gonna take it down the lower lash line too. Take the other dark shade and pack that on more so towards my lashes. Now I'm gonna go in with my Carly Bible palette, and I'm gonna use this really bright purple color and put that as kind of like a crease color. I messed up. This brush is too big. What am I doing with my life? So then I'm taking the highlighter shade from that palette just to kind of make that look a bit less psycho. And then I'm gonna take, oh my gosh, I just inhaled the powder. I'm gonna take the dark matte brown in that palette and put that on. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take a makeup brush and get it wet. And dip it into like the purple shimmery shade in that palette and put that on my inner corner. Now I'm gonna do some eyeliner if I can find it. I'm just gonna take my Clinique liner and do a wing. Like so, and then I always like to just very lightly do my inner corner. Hat tickles. Yeah, I just do that to make my eyes look a bit more feline because he has told me in the past that I have very like cat-shaped eyes and that he thinks it looks cool. Thanks, I guess I could maybe kind of see it. I don't know. Anyways, now I'm gonna use a brown pencil and put that in my waterline on the lower lash line. And I'm gonna also put it on the upper lash line. Oh my gosh, it literally tickles so bad. Ugh, done, except I'm just gonna go put on some mascara. Alright, so I just went ahead and put on a bit more of a pinkish blush just because that one wasn't doing it for me. I used this one from BH Cosmetics in the shade BG Fun. And yeah, this is pretty much the finished look. These are the eyes. As you can see, the purple really makes the green kind of pop, and I really like how the winged liner gives my eye like a, I don't even know what kind of effect. I guess just a feline kind of looking eye. Kendall Jenner's eyes look a lot like this a lot of the time. And just take my hair down. I would probably just go ahead and wear it like this, honestly. This is left over from a video I just did, but this also just so happens to be my boyfriend's favorite way that I wear my hair, because I don't do anything with my hair very often. I try to refrain from using heat on it for the most part, so I have naturally straight hair. So it's, you know, it's kind of a switch up, so it's fun. And yeah, I changed into this kind of romper situation, just because I felt like it went better with the look. The purple and the black, it just, you know, it goes better together. And then last thing I would do is just, let me see. Last thing I would do is just pop on a pair of hoops, because those always make me feel nice and fancy. Yeah, so this is my date night look / date night get ready with me. So if you guys liked this look, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and definitely hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And Oliver's not replying to me right now, so I will have linked in the description what you guys must accomplish to get him to appear in a video. Yeah, so be sure to check out the description. Also look for my social media there, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.